Hi everyone! Pag-aralan natin ang types of polygons. Ang polygons na may tatlong side ay triangle. Ang polygon na ito ay may apat na sides. Ito ay quadrilateral. Four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. Five-sided polygon ay tinatawag na pentagon. Six-sided polygon, may polygon na may anim na sides ay tinatawag na hexagon. Ito, merong pitong sides or seven-sided polygon is heptagon. Eight-sided polygon or ang polygon na may walong sides ay tinatawag na octagon. Ito naman, ang polygon na may siyam na sides or nine-sided polygon is called nonagon. Kasunod, ang polygon na merong 10 sides ay tinatawag na decagon. Ito, merong 11 or 11-sided polygon ay tinatawag na undecagon. Ito naman, merong 12 na sides. 12-sided polygon is dodecagon. 13-sided polygon is tridecagon. 14-sided polygon is called tetradecagon. 15-sided polygon is called pentadecagon. 16-sided polygon o polygon na may 16 sides ay tinatawag na hexadecagon. Kasunod, 17-sided polygon o polygon na may 17 sides ay tinatawag na heptadecagon. Polygon with 18 sides is called octadecagon.